Welcome to training on OISD Standard 108, Oil Storage and Handling. Prepared for Safety and Operations Team. By Yash Rathore. Source: Oil Industry Safety Directorate. Objective: ensure safe storage and handling of crude oil, intermediates, and petroleum products. Objective and scope: ensure safe storage and handling of crude oil, intermediates, and petroleum products. Addresses safety in design, layout, and operation of tank farms. Scope: applies to refineries, central tank farms, oil, gas processing, and pipeline installations. Excludes installations below 1000 kiloliters capacity, aviation facilities, OISD-235, depots, terminals with separate standards, OISD-244. Key definitions. Classification of petroleum. Class A, flash point less than 23 degrees Celsius, example, MS, naphtha, highest fire risk. Class B, flash point in the range of 23 degrees Celsius to 65 degrees Celsius, example, kerosene, diesel. Class C, flash point in the range of 65 degrees Celsius to 93 degrees Celsius, example, furnace oil. Excluded, flash point is greater than or equal to 93 degrees Celsius that is non-hazardous, example, lube oil. Key terms. Central tank farm. Storage greater than 5000 kiloliters for Class A, Class B products. Group gathering station. Collects well fluids, separates phases. Slop. Off-spec oil or oil-water mix, wet or dry slop. Dike. Earthen, concrete wall around tanks to contain spills. Geodesic dome. Aluminium dome for internal floating roof tanks. Tank types. Atmospheric. API 650, fixed, external or internal floating roof. Low pressure. API 620 for high vapor pressure products. Floating roof tank. Roof floats on liquid to minimize vapor loss. Fixed roof tank. Rigid roof, requires venting. Capacity definitions. Nominal. Geometric tank volume till roof deck or curb. Normal fill level. Operational upper level ensuring time before reaching safe fill. Safe fill level. Max level allowed before overfill. Statutory limit per peso, PNGRB. Overfill level, beyond safe limit, risks spillage or damage. Design considerations for storage tanks. Design layout. As per OISD-ST-AMD-ARD 118, maintain spacing, dike, and safety distances. Roof types: fixed, floating, geodesic dome, or inert gas blanketed roofs. Tank bottom. Cone down type preferred for ATF, epoxy coating and cathodic protection. Tank appurtenances, stairways, 1.2 meters width, handrails, wind girders, manholes, drains, deep hatches, vents, breather valves, and datum plates. Vents. Flame arresters required for Class A-B vapors. Tank farm, ethanol and geodesic roofs. Tank farm manifold, designed for pressure equalization, double block and bleed valves, fire-safe design. Ethanol handling, dedicated, stainless steel lines and pumps for ethanol. Prohibit mild steel to avoid contamination and corrosion. Prevent static buildup using bonding, earthing. Geodesic roof tanks, prefer aluminium dome roofs for emission control. Ensure wind girder installation per API 650. Integrate lightning protection and sprinkler cooling. Tank operation. General precautions, maintain electrical safety and hazardous area certification. Keep dike area vegetation free. Monitor tank level, temperature, pressure routinely. Maintain open roof drains. Isolate only when leaking and document SOP deviations. Safety for roof entry. Valid work permit required. No thunderstorm conditions. Roof level is less than or equal to 3 meters from top. Use lifeline and standby person with BA set. Emergency procedures. Written emergency plans for overfill, vapor cloud, system failure, leaks. Periodic revision and retraining after audits or modifications. Loading and unloading. Tank truck, tank wagon gantries. Loading pumps, API compliant, explosion proof, provide spill back and TSVs for thermal relief. Flow control. Separate pumps for truck, wagon loading, flow meters, pump interlocks. Emergency shutdown accessible at gantry. Tank truck, tank wagon operations. Use grounding, chocks, flameproof lights, PPE, no mobile phones or ignition sources. Follow checklist before connecting, disconnecting hoses. Provide safe escape routes and sump for leakage collection. Handling of slop. Source. Plant draining, startup, shutdown, of specification products. Types: wet slop, high water content, non-processable. Dry slop, low water, can reprocess. Disposal: controlled combustion, processing, or recycling per environmental norms. Storage: water-sealed, closed tanks to reduce emissions. Annexures Overview. Annexure 1. Fill level diagram, normal, safe, overfill. Annexure 2. Summary of actions for tank overfill prevention. Annexure 3. Safety checklist for tank operations, crude, intermediate, product. Annexure 4. Safety checklist for blending operations. Annexure 5. Checklist for product loading, unloading. Annexure 6. Checklist for tank truck operations. Annexure 7. Checklist for tank wagon operations. Annexure 8. Key changes compared to previous edition, first major revision since 1997. Annexure 9. List of functional committee members, OISD, HPCL, BPCL, IOCL, etc. Conclusion: OISD-108 integrates safety, reliability, and sustainability in storage operations. Enforces statutory compliance, PESO, PNGRB. Promotes consistent design, operation, and emergency standards. Training and execution ensure zero-incident operations across India's hydrocarbon sector. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more.